Hey guys, today we're going to unbox the June Boxyluxe Boxycharm box. So if you're excited to see that, please stick around. And real quick before you go, if you have not done so already, please do not forget to subscribe. If you're new here, I'm Michelle and I post beauty videos during the week and lifestyle videos during the weekend, and I would love to have you. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. All right guys, so this one is really heavy. It feels like there's a lot of goodies in here. This is the box. I mean, it looks just like the normal box. It got damaged in transit, so I'm kind of hoping that nothing inside of it is damaged. So fingers crossed. Let's just break into it. All right, so we've got the little pamphlet thingy that says what everything is and how much everything costs. And then it looks like this once everything is out of it. You see that? It's packed pretty full. So, pretty excited. All right, so the first thing that I'm grabbing out is this. And it says it is the PYT Mini Turbo On-the-Go Dryer. Your new PYT Mini Turbo On-the-Go Dryer is powerful, portable, lightweight, and easy to use. Not only will it decrease drying time, but reduce frizz and lock in moisture. Whether you're revamping your hairstyle after work or at the gym, your new little travel companion will only be an arm's length away. And this retails for $85. If you remember, and I'll try to link the video, maybe it was the last Boxyluxe or the one before it, we got a straightener from the same brand, so that's, you know, pretty exciting. All right, so when you open it up, see, it's got stuff in it there. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out of here is a diffuser, a little tiny diffuser. That's pretty cute. And a concentrator, a little tiny one. And then, guessing this is just like the instruction manual. That's cool, I guess. I mean, I know how to use a hairdryer. And then this is the hairdryer. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Mine's kind of like a little coral, like a coral type color. I think it's adorable. But I know they came in different colors, so other people might have them in different colors. You've got the on-off switch, and then it looks like you can change the voltage, which is pretty cool. And this is great because, as I've said before, my family's across the country, so we do a lot of traveling, and so this is awesome. So I don't have to like pack my giant hairdryer. So I'm actually very excited about this. All right, so the next thing that I'm grabbing out of here is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Instant lasting volume and texture. It's a styling and finishing spray, and it looks like this. And it says, let me find it. Oh, here we go. Make some room on your vanity for your new Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. The styling spray creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone free, and safe for colored and chemically treated hair, and it retails for $29. I like Living Proof, so I'm excited to try this. I always love getting hair stuff, so I'm pretty excited about that. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out is this No Problem Prime Essence from Touch & Soul. And it says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch & Soul No Problem Prime Essence, infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. I might have butchered that. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. And it retails for $23. And it just comes in like a little squeeze tube like this. It's ooh, it's a very, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's very runny, but it feels very smooth on the skin. Very, very runny, but yeah, very smooth. And I can't wait to try that out. I think I said in the last Boxycharm unboxing video that I plan to do a video of like a full face of makeup I've never used from stuff I've gotten in the Boxycharm, so that'll definitely be something I'll have to try. And I'm pretty sure I have another primer from the same brand from a different Boxycharm that I have to try too. So at this point, we might have enough products that I can do 2 videos of products I haven't tried yet from the Boxycharm, so keep your eye out for them. Alright, the next thing I'm grabbing is this Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. And it says, powered by a biotic balancing complex, this prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plants do the dirty work. And it retails for $35. Looks like that. I'm excited to try this. It's going to go to the back of the line, obviously. I've got so many new cleansers to try, so it'll probably be a while before I get a chance to try this, but I'm excited to get to do it. The next thing I'm grabbing is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. Ooh, I love skincare. Alright, so this says, this Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. Formulated with a 14% AHA BHA Gentle Flower Acids blend, you will get a youthful looking, smooth complexion as the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles are reduced, and it retails for $58. That sounds heavenly. I love serums and stuff. I'm obsessed. So I'm pretty excited about this. And this is what it looks like. I will have to start implementing this in my nighttime routine and see if I like it. Alright, so the next thing I'm grabbing is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 cheek palette. It says, meet your new everyday staple, the 6-shade Tarteist Pro Glow cheek palette V3 formulated with Amazonian clay delivers streak and fade free flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look, and it retails for $45. I love Tarte. I love Tarte products. I love their blushes. I love their bronzers. So I'm excited about this. It's a little bit, it's got stuff on the cover. I hope this didn't get ruined in transit. Like I said, the box was a little bit dented, so now I'm a little scared. Whew, no, okay. It's all good. It's all good. Okay. So I'm trying. Let me see if I can do this. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty. And these are the colors. These 3 are Premier, Headliner, and then this bottom one is Autograph. I hope you can see that. I can't see the monitor, so I hope you can see that. And then these 3 from top to bottom are Dance Floor, A-Lister, and Backstage. And I'm extremely excited to try this out. I love getting new bronzing palettes and stuff, which you guys know. I have to say though, the one bronze, this one right here, which is Backstage, looks like it's going to be a little too warm for me. But the other one, which is this one, Autograph, has a little bit of sheen. And I'm usually not a fan of the bronzers that have sheen in them, but I'll still try it. These blushes are extremely beautiful. I think they would both work for me, and the highlighters might too. So I'm excited to try this out. Alright, so the next thing we're grabbing is this Trestique. What is this? Good Vibes Mascara. Alright, treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. This all-in-one lash curler tool and lash enhancing mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. It's the first of its kind and it retails for $25. It's got a little thing on it that says how to use. You pull off clear cap to access half curler. Press down along lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Move across lashes to get desired curl. Twist up top for volumizing mascara. Apply as desired. Use curler and mascara together to curve lashes up to plus 186%. Okay, so it's like a curler and mascara. That's interesting. This should be fun to try. I might do a whole video just about this. That's pretty interesting. Let me know if you want to see that. Like a full video just dedicated to that one product. That seems pretty interesting. Alright, so the next thing I'm grabbing is the Dominique Cosmetics lipstick. Liquid lipstick and lemonade. Or no, it's a lip gloss and lemonade lip gloss. I'm excited about this. I've wanted to try... This is in strawberry lemonade, by the way. I've wanted to try Dominique Cosmetics for a long time. I love Kristen Dominique. She's definitely one of the people that I've watched for a while, and you know, who I took a lot of, or you know, who kind of encouraged me. Well, I mean, inspired me, I guess would be the right word, to you know, start my channel. And not that she knows. I mean, she has no idea who I am, but I've wanted to try her stuff and I just haven't really been able to afford it. So I'm very excited to finally get something to try. It looks like this. It's so cute. This component actually feels really good. Like, it looks like just a normal lip gloss component, but it actually feels a little bougie. I think it's beautiful. So let's see what this gloss looks like. I'm always into glosses, especially during the summer. I don't know why. I really like wearing gloss during the summer. It smells kind of vanilla-y, which is like normal. And this is what it looks like. Right there. Just a really pretty light pink color. Not a ton of pigment, but I mean, it's gloss, so I'm not like upset that it doesn't have a ton of color. Like, it's a gloss. I'm probably gonna wear it over something, but it's beautiful. I'm excited to try. I am very excited to try it. It doesn't feel like too like overly sticky, you know what I mean? Like, some glosses can feel like so sticky and it ends up like annoying you. It doesn't feel too sticky, so I'm actually really excited to try it. And this says about it, add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. And it retails for $17. The last thing that I'm grabbing out of this is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist and Radiant Dew. So it says, Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew is a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Our glow-inducing tonic is inspired by the Italian legend of St. John's water, a magical dew produced using flowers and herbs during the summer solstice. Enriched with antioxidant-rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint, and Damascena rose. I might have said that wrong. I apologize if I did. This refreshing mist encourages a radiant complexion while rebalancing skin's pH level, tightening pores, and setting makeup. And it retails for $35. I love face mists, so I'm pretty excited about this. Let me see. Oh, it's kind of got that. Let me see if it's better now. It's not a bad mist. It is kind of like a in your face, but I don't know about the smell. It's not like it smells bad. It's not like it smells like it's not like the greatest smell, but it's not that big of a deal. I'm excited to try it. Like I said, I absolutely love face mists. That's no secret. I've talked about it. I have an entire video, which I will link, dedicated to face mists. So I'd be lying if I said I wasn't super excited to try that. Alright guys, so that was everything that was in this month's Boxyluxe box. And I have to say, I'm really impressed. First of all, like I said, I paid like $54 for this maybe. This box comes out to, with everything in it, comes out to being a $352 value. Think about that. So you pay about $50 for this box, you're getting like $300 worth of free products. Like, that's incredible. I'm excited about literally everything that I got in this box, but I can't always say that. There's almost always, there's like one thing where I'm like, about, but I'm just extremely excited about everything in this box. I cannot wait to try this stuff out. I am so excited about this box. I definitely think this one was well worth it. I've always thought it was well worth it, but definitely love this box. And I definitely think that if you have not already, that you should think about trying it out. In case you didn't know, real quick, what the Boxyluxe box is, you have to have a Boxycharm subscription, which is $21 a month, and then every 3 months they charge you an additional like $30, and you get all of the items that you would get in the Boxycharm plus additional items. Like this month we got, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products. And like I said, it came out to over $350. Like, it's incredible. It's incredible. And like I said, you get it every 3 months. You sign up on Boxycharm.com. I will leave my link down below. I'm not sponsored or affiliated with them in any way. I think if you click on my link, like sign up through my link, I get like charming points or something like that that I can use to get additional products. I honestly don't know. I never actually use them. But I think that's what happens. Don't feel like you have to use my link. Like I said, absolutely just go to Boxycharm.com and do it. Or if you have a different YouTuber who gets Boxycharm that you want to use their code, by all means, please do it. Or not code, but you know, like their link, by all means, please do it. I know, like, I believe Kathleen Lights has one, maybe Laura Lee, I'm not sure. I think I've seen her do some Boxycharm videos before. I'm sure, but there's tons and tons of them. Like I said, I'm not affiliated or sponsored or anything. I honestly really enjoy Boxycharm and Boxyluxe. I think it's well worth the money. It's a good way to build up your makeup collection without paying a ton of money. So definitely, if you have not done so already, check it out. You won't be disappointed. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more just like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That really does help me, and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see from me next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again on Thursday. Bye.